Hello viewers, راځئ چې زده کړو د English short sentences with Pashto translation. Viewers دا زموږ لیسن دی لیسن نمبر 12. Viewers چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او ویډیو کمپلیټ وګورئ. Sentences دی زموږ سره Shame on you. Shame on you. او شرمېږه. Look at me please. Look at me please. مهرباني وکړه ماته وګوره. She is tired. She is tired. هغه ستړې شوې ده. Will you give me? Will you give me? ته به ماته راکړې. Don't insist. Don't insist. ټینګار مکوئ. She is afraid. She is afraid. هغه یریږي. Please do one thing. Please do one thing. مهرباني وکړئ یو کار وکړئ. Don't shy. مه شرمېږه. I will make it. I will make it. زه به یې جوړ کړم. We promised. مونږ جبه وکړه. Don't lie. Don't lie. دروغ مه وایه. I can drive. I can drive. زه ګاډی چلولی شم. Viewers, subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.